Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn about the possessive case of nouns. Now, the questions that come to your mind are: what is the meaning of possessive? What does it have to do with a noun? How can one make a noun possessive? When can one use a possessive case? Well, let's find the answers together. Here, possessive means a word that shows who or what a person or thing belongs to. Possessive case of nouns. Observe the given sentence. This is Radha's book. Radha's book is equal to the book belonging to Radha. The form of the noun Radha is changed to Radha's to show ownership or possession. The form of a noun to show ownership or possession is said to be in the possessive or genitive case. The possessive answers the question whose. Formation of the possessive case. To make the possessive form, put an apostrophe and an S after a singular noun. For example, a man's job, a child's voice, Peter's bed, Tom's hat, etc. Note: sometimes the letter S is omitted in a few singular nouns where too many hissing sounds would come together. For example, Chris' chair, Jesus' sake, James' book, etc. When the noun is plural and ends in S, the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe. For example, girls' school, the students' hostel, farmer's crop, etc. When the noun is plural but does not end in S, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe S. For example, people's houses, men's club, women's voices, children's books, etc. When a noun or a title consists of several words, the possessive is formed by adding apostrophe S only to the last words. For example, the King of Bhutan's crown, your sister-in-law's book, Henry VIII's house, etc. Sometimes two possessive forms with apostrophe S appear together, one after the other. For example, this is Paul's brother's ball, which means the ball belongs to Paul's brother. John's teacher's house has a nice view. That is the house that belongs to John's teacher. When the nouns are in apposition, that is placed side by side and refer to the same person or thing, the possessive is formed by adding apostrophe to the latter only. For example, Tago, the poet's painting, John, my friend's house. Initials can also be made possessive by adding apostrophe S. For example, the VIP's lounge, the PM's secretary, etc. When two nouns are connected by and, put an S after the second name only. For example, William and Mary's bakery, Katie and Mike's house, Kareem and Sarah's father, etc. But if the noun so connected implies separate possession, apostrophe S is to be added to both the nouns. For example, my father's and my brother's clothes, Jane's and Rowling's novels, etc. Use of the possessive case. The possessive case is now chiefly used with the names of living things. For example, the minister's bodyguard, the cat's tail, a lion's mane, etc. We can use apostrophe s without the noun after it. For example, this isn't my bike, it's John's. My purse is bigger than Shweta's. Sometimes a noun denoting some building or place after the possessive case of a noun can be omitted. For example, she was educated at the St. Xavier's. Tonight I'm dining at my uncle's. He has gone at the barber's. I'll see you at Paul's. The possessive can express a relationship between people. For example, Paul's mother will not come today. That is John's colleague standing there. The possessive is also used with the names of personified objects. For example, India's heroes, nature's laws, death's door, etc. Certain dignified objects can also take the possessive case. For example, the court's order, the sun's rays, the earth's atmosphere, etc. The possessive case is also used with nouns denoting time, space, weight, or value. For example, a day's work, a month's holiday, a stone's throw, a foot's length, a kilo's weight, a pound's weight, a rupee's worth, a dollar's worth. It is also used commonly in some phrases. For example, at his fingers' end, at his wits' end, for mercy's sake, to his heart's content, a boat's crew, etc. So that's it for today's video. Subscribe my channel for more. To find videos related to English grammar, visit my channel. If you find my videos useful, don't forget to like and share. Thank you.